cuties, welcome to Ash Creations Art channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Hi cuties, this is Ashwini, also known as Ash, the person behind this art channel, and also having a small business known as Ash Creations Art Shop where you can find all my cute illustrations as cute stationery and accessories. You can go and grab them over there. And this vlog is a bit different, not like the usual vlogs. In this vlog, your girl is going out and also doing some other stuff as well for the shopping. Stay tuned for that. You will get to know what exactly I'm saying. And also, I'm thinking to finish the Patreon rewards, like the carbon page, and also the planner thing, and also like couple of drawings and all, like for a gifting, and yeah, some editing and all the stuff is also there. You guys will love them for sure. And yeah, that's it. Maybe if I'm having a bit of time, I will try to do some more digital art and all. You guys are going to see all of this stuff in the studio vlog max. And also in India, in a couple of days, we are having Rakhi. It's Raksha Bandhan, like a festival, I can say, where it's a bond and affection between brother and sisters, where sisters tie Rakhi to their brothers. So what I'm thinking is, if anyone is placing an order, I'm thinking to add a random Rakhi as a freebie along with their order. Like order value should be above like 7.99. So you will be getting free shipping as well if you are in India. So try to grab this offer. You'll be getting free shipping, free Rakhi, and also other freebies along with the goodies you are going to purchase. So it's a steal. And after doing the last vlog, like editing and all, once everything is done, I took like a day or two off as I'm already having so much work. Apart from this, I shifted to that a bit, but I also saw a lot of videos and all which I didn't film this time. I thought to keep it more private. If you guys want to know who are all the art creators I usually watch the content and all, you can check out my previous studio vlogs. You will get an idea who I usually watch. I highly recommend you guys to check their content as well. They will be super aesthetic and cute. I love watching their videos. It will make me more inspired and all, and also I also start feeling really very productive and start doing the work. Sometimes if I'm having a bit of time also, I try to do a lot in that time after watching their videos and all. To be honest, a few uh, of their content is super long, like an hour and all. When also I will try to like watch them a bit. So yeah, to get inspired and all. After changing the website, I am having a lot of stuff to do. Still, I'm trying to figure out few things and trying to keep everything on track. I'm trying to be very active out here, and I also have to be active on my lifestyle Instagram page, and also on that channel. I am yeah, I'm only focusing on one thing every single time. If I'm focusing on the art stuff, I couldn't able to focus on the lifestyle stuff. I don't know why. I couldn't able to balance everything. In the last vlog, I said I will try to like plan everything and sort the stuff, which I did a bit, but still it's a bit messier. I still have to figure out the things, and I have to like for everything, and I have to do, and I have to be more consistent in every single page. So I will try to be more active as possible. Yeah, let's see what will happen. Why? Because I need to be active over there and here as well, and also in all the stuff which is happening in my life, which I usually don't showcase. There is so much stuff happening. So let's walk together and do all this stuff.
This is like a mushroom fairy house coloring page. I love how it turned out. It's all nice. I am almost done with this planner thing, and yeah, this is how it looks like. I thought, why not to play the game for some time and then do all the work which I have to done. A lot of stuff is there to do, like editing the post and also some other stuff which I'm going to share you. I'm working constantly on few stuff, so I thought to play the game and ease myself a bit again. Yeah.
Cuties, I thought to come and give you a few quick updates right now. I hope you guys remember me cleaning the shelf and all that. At that time, I'm just concentrating on cleaning and all. I forgot that I'm having these long nails and all. I kept bumping to the walls and all. Like I ended up having some cracks on my nails, and it's not simple one because if only one finger is having like that means okay thumb and every single finger is having the same thing. It's aching a lot. Sometimes now my hair or something is getting tangled in between that and I am getting a lot of pain and all. And also about one thing I have said about like the shop thing, right? I will go out and do the stuff and all. So for that, I'm thinking to do like a cute brochure thing along with the products which are available and the QR code of the Instagram and all. I will show you guys how it's looking and all. I'm damn sure you will love that.
So I have designed the brochure thing singly over here. Once it is done, I have like created it like this by keeping both side by side.
Cuties, I hope you have seen that. Let me know in the comments your thoughts about the brochure thing. So what I'm thinking to do is I will go out to print them in as a color Xerox, and after that we'll split it and we'll stick to few shops which have more footfall. So there will be a bit of more exposure and all. And also, I'm not sure if the shopkeepers will allow to paste the brochure thing or not. Wish me luck, and I really hope they will give permission to do that. If not, I couldn't able to do the thing. This is not the end. I am going to do something really very fun. Along with that, it will be available in few places. If you want to know what is that fun thing, stay tuned. I will be dropping a short content soon in Instagram as well as in YouTube. You will get to know what exactly I'm planning to do and all, and it will be super fun. You will love for sure.
In very little time, I managed to complete this Zoro illustration thing, and I quite messed up a lot with my hands and everything. Yeah, it's done now. Update about the nails, they are even breaking more and more, coming over the skin, and if anything is getting tangled, it's like hell. Yeah. Why? Because all of a sudden something or the other is coming in between them, and I couldn't able to cut them as well. Why? Because now all the nails they are like breaking by overlapping over the skin. I hope you got my point. Like on the skin, the nail will be there, right? At that point, they are getting break. Yeah. currently at the printing shop. I am taking the prints and all, and this is how they turn. Trying to fold them as soon as possible. Why? Because it's getting late. I have to still go to few places and I have to stick them there, right? So I am making it a bit quick. Yeah, going for a nearby bakery, which I know currently s- taking help to stick this brochure thing on the wall. Yeah, finally we finished. Stick one of them. Got this bread from there, which we forgot last time.
This is the next day. It's super cloudy outside. Maybe rain will fall after sometime. Like, yeah, it will become really cool and all. So yesterday, after printing the sheets, went to paste it on few places and all. It's kind of weird, I can say. Why? Because it's already raining at that point of time. It already rained, and most of the places are like filled with water and all. And as the walls are already wet, it's really very tough. I managed to go to few places and stick it over there. And guess what? I forgot to film over there. I only captured few clips. And in the printing shop, with them to print in really very good quality. And in the first print, they printed like this. Color is super light and the QR is not working as well. We requested to once check by adding the higher resolution. After that, no, they did it like this. See the color difference. This is the color which we designed, and that's what they are printed out. And this QR and all, it is working. Even though I said them to print in high resolution like this, they ended up printing like that. So what I did is initially I told to print only one so that I can check whether the QR is working or not. So it's fine in case if I'm asking them to print several copies of that means it will end up in waste, right? So yeah, this is what happened at that particular time. And at that point only it is super late. Why? Because when I thought to go out and do see what are the available places I can go and paste them and all. Most of the shops are like shut down. Why? Because it's too late and because of the rain, I couldn't able to start a bit early. It's raining super heavy yesterday, so yeah, it went out a bit late, and also I'm having couple of other stuff to do as well. So it took me a while to go and do, and I am still having all these sheets. Maybe after a few days, I will go again to few places and I will ask the permission to stick them and I will stick it. So this is like the design which I done. You guys may be thinking why you're doing like that. I thought why not to do in few locations like people will get to know, right? Not only through social media, not to do it. And yeah, I kept a bit of budget for that, and according to that, I am doing. And not only in my current location, and I am thinking to do in other locations as well. For that, I'm taking help of few people who I know. Maybe it will happen soon. But to be honest, those clips will not be available in this channel. Why? Because they may or may not film right. I can't force them. They're already helping me with these things. I'm already grateful for what they're helping and all. Yeah, I hope maybe a few more people will get to know about our small business thing. Completed designing the Patreon rewards and they are already live. If you're interested, go check out them and also done bunch of static posts for the shop page and also a couple of real content for the art page and all. Super productive week, but I couldn't able to film lot of the stuff. Why? Because I'm occupied a bit. I tried to film few clips and I have added it in this vlog. In case if you enjoy watching this video, then do like this video and also share this video with your friends and family members. If you are your family members or friends interested in exclusive content or products or anything, go check out my Patreon and don't forget to follow on the Instagram and also do check out my shop page as creationsartshop.com where you can find all my cute stationery over there. Okay, that's it. Bye. Take care. See you in the next video.